first things you see, you're hit with like hand sanitizer right when you walk in. We know that there's like, you're around a bunch of people maybe as you're walking in. So hand sanitizer stations, do we know the final number? Hundreds of them that have been set out, not only here, but along each of the individual pylons that you can see there that are set out to be able to have, people have the ability to be able to have that when they come in. And then again, part of the idea here is to kind of spread out a little bit some of the entry process. So from an entry standpoint, each of our fans is going to have a suggested time of entry to try to spread out the flow of when people are actually coming into the stadium. Any questions so far about any of the fan entry process or individual process that way?
You said there would be timed entry?
Yeah, so the idea is like you would get kind of a unit of time. What are we breaking it up as? Like approximately 30 minutes?
They'll be in 30-minute windows, but there'll be overlap between the two sessions, if that makes sense. So kind of every 15 minutes, there's an entry window opening up.
Yeah, and again, idea there is to try to help with some of the rush at the gates so that we can kind of spread some of that out a little bit. So parking lots this year open up 3 hours prior to kick. That's different than in years past. And then again, we're asking fans not to tailgate. We're not necessarily trying to get in the way of you and the person you came with enjoying a beverage before you walk into the game. But the idea here is that we're not having large gatherings and other parties or anything that might have situations conducive to not being able to maintain social distance and contact.